St. Anne's offers a free mobile app which can be downloaded from your phone's app store. Upon logging in, you're able to see all of your accounts at a glance. When you click on an account, you're able to see more detailed transaction history. Making transfers within the St. Anne's mobile app is quick and easy. Simply select Transfer and Pay down at the bottom, make an internal transfer, select the account that you'd like to transfer from, the account that you'd like to transfer into, the amount, and the date of the transfer. Click Transfer and you're done. You can also make a loan payment or home equity line of credit disbursement the same way. Bill payment within the St. Anne's mobile app is a convenient way to pay your bills. You can add a new contact or select from existing contacts. Simply enter in your amount, your delivery date. You can even expedite your payment and click Pay. Zelle person-to-person payments is available within the St. Anne's mobile app. You can send, request, or split a bill. Select your recipient, enter the amount, and hit send. It's as easy as that. Mobile deposit is an easy way to deposit your check without having to visit a branch. Select Deposit, deposit a check, the account you'd like to deposit into, your check amount, then take a picture of the front and the back of your check, endorsing the back of your check for mobile deposit only. Then simply click Make Deposit. Thank you for banking with St. Anne's Credit Union. Visit stannes.com for more information, call us at 1-877-ST-ANNES, or email us at einfo@stannes.com.